Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I did this really cool glow nail using water decals. So first I used Bioseaweed Seafoam, which is a really nice turquoise green. Is turquoise green or blue? This is a green. So I applied 2 coats of that polish. This is their 3-step gel. So Bioseaweed has their 3-step gels, which have a dispersion layer, and then they have their Unity gels, which are a 1-step gel. So they cure to a shine without a dispersion layer. So this one does have a dispersion layer. So what I'm doing is I'm going to encapsulate some glow powder, but first I am laying down a layer of Bioseaweed's Artiste gel, which is, it's a blooming gel, so it's just a thick clear gel. It's thinner than a builder gel, but thicker than a top coat. So I like to lay this down, and then what I do is I pour the glow powder. This glow powder is from solarcolordust.com. They are more of an art craft store company versus nail art. So I do find they have excellent prices, very competitive, and they've got some really cool stuff. They've got that thermo liquid as well, you know, the one that the LCD thermo liquid stuff. Anyway, so I'm just pouring this onto the Artiste gel, and you can see it is kind of sinking into the gel, and I am just covering up all the spots that are shiny to make sure it is fully covered. I find using this pouring method with the glow powder gives you the most impact with the glow versus mixing it into a builder and painting it on. I prefer doing it this way, and it also lays a lot more smooth. You don't have to file it off after. So I'm going to be laying the decal down next, and you guys know I like to lay my decals down onto base coat. So I'm kind of using this base coat to encapsulate the glow powder and also to stick down the decal. I mean, I don't want to bulk up the nail too much, so I'm just going to use the base coat here. We're curing that, and then we're going to use this Joker decal, which you can get from my website, sadlerupnails.com, or you can watch one of my previous videos and learn how to make them yourself. So you just dip the decal in water for 10 to 15 seconds, and then peel it off the backing slowly. And for this, I did use transparent because we want the nail to glow through the decal. So we're just going to place that down onto the nail, and I am so sorry guys, I did not record me smoothing it down and filing off the excess. But again, I do have a previous video on that. It's just called How to Apply Water Decals. Go look for it, or maybe I can figure out how to link videos. We'll see. So now we're going to lay another layer of base coat to seal in our decal, cure that layer of base coat, and then we're going to put down our top coat. So if I were making this nail in a set for a customer, after I cured this top coat, I would buff it again and then do a double top coat. This nail was just for experimental purposes, and it happened to work out, so I showed you all how to do it. So I didn't do the double top coat, but for a customer, I would 100% buff that, then top coat twice to make sure that decal is completely and fully sealed in. So there is your glowing decal. This would look awesome with any decal. Thanks for watching. Bye.